Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to go live on Kick with mobile phone. Alright, let's begin. First of all, if I try to open the Kick app and then tap on the profile icon at top right corner, you can see that there is no such option to get the stream keys or URL. Generally, these things are present in the account settings, but there is also no such thing inside the app. In order to access them, open any type of preferred browser and search for Kick. After that, sign into your account and you will be redirected to the home page. Here, tap on the profile icon at bottom right corner and you can see that the account settings feature is present. In order to start streaming, tap on it and then you will be able to get the stream key and URL. So that's basically how you can go live on Kick with mobile phone. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.